a slime palette. So this is a tool slime palette. It doesn't quite look like a slime palette, but it has different type of slimes. And I'm going to get a little bit of each and I'm going to mix them. So watch the video. So the first slime I'm going to get out is this one. It's just regular slime. And I put a glitter on the top. Glitter is the key to everything. A little bit of glitter. Well guys, so this glitter, I had a kit, right? So I got a little bit of that glitter, mixed each one. And then I made this glitter, as you can see. And guys, it's so good. I totally have to save some of each for sure. Next one is earth slime. So I got this earth slime. Before it had green and blue in it, and it's really good, especially the pokes. And the next slime I call it is Mermaid Slime. So here it is. It's full of glitter. I have to tell you that, guys. Time to get this slime. Is fluffy slime, by the way. This slime is kind of a little sticky. I don't like too sticky slimes because they stick to your hands. That's okay for a little bit. It's still in there. Well, I didn't get a lot of it out, but here it is. Oh, sticky! And now I'm gonna get this fluffy slime. I'm just gonna get a bit of it because it actually has two colors in it, blue and purple, as you can see it. And guys, and look, I just mixed both of them in. I don't know if there's a little bit out. Okay. Next one is another fluffy slime. And this one is just purple. And as you guys know, I want to maybe use and make this by mixing some slimes, like a slime smoothie. So guys, I've got some of the crunchy slime out. And this fairy slime. Time to get a little bit of each and start mixing it up. Get a little bit of earth slime, normal. I didn't pick any name for it. Some of this. I don't know, I kind of put it back into this crunchy slime batch. Now put some of this in, and time to put some of this, some of this, and some of fairy, just a little bit, and some crunchy. That made a mess. Look at that. That made a mess. Oh no! That's okay for a little, and got some there. And let's see what it does. It's actually pretty. It's so pretty, guys. Look. Time to do some ASMR. It's really tiny though. Look guys, oh, I don't want to finish playing with it. So bye guys, this is ended this week, and that hand was my cousin's sister's. She's behind the camera, and bye.